So good morning. We got our white bird and our brown bird here in the office. We're checking them out. He's gonna go hide. The brown ones are a lot calmer of a chicken. So in case you didn't know, brown birds make brown eggs. White birds make white eggs. Brown cows do not make chocolate milk, just so we are aware. That is not in the same situation. But yeah, no, I'm just checking them out. These girls here, so they've started laying. They are 17 weeks old right now. The brown birds, they're leaving here in a couple days. They're going to go to their new home, to a different farm. We're extremely happy because they're laying. So that customer, that farmer, he'll be happy. You do not want to ship pullets when they're not laying. Just doesn't look good. But these girls have been ahead the whole time. The brown birds will go out at 18 weeks. Just they grow a lot faster than the white birds. I don't know if you can see the size difference. We're just gonna leave her alone because yeah, the white birds are extremely skittish compared to these brown ladies. As you see, she's just standing there checking us out. So the white birds, they're for us this week. Our other barn, they will be, so our number 3 barn we call it, that flock will be going out. These new ladies will be going in. Normally we take both barns out, 2 and 3, but I said we're doing a barn reto. So the egg board, because egg supply right now, they want eggs. So because our number 2 barn, when we get it fully renoed, they will be going in November. So because of that, we have lots of time to do the barn renovation. So the egg board has allowed us to keep those birds in for 2 extra months. So that's awesome. So yeah, that barn's gonna be in for 2 extra months. Then they're gonna go out. We're gonna start that barn renovation, so I'll have lots of videoing to be done. Good news is this actually works out well, because before we were gonna have to take number 2 barn out. We were gonna have to start a renovation. We're gonna get into planting. We're just gonna be crazy busy. So now, obviously, 2 extra months. That'll put us into May, June. We should be finished planting. If we're not finished, we'll be very, very close. So June 1st, those birds go out, and we're gonna start that renovation. I'm excited. But yeah, so I just wanted to quickly give you guys a little update of what's going on here in the barn. Today we're gonna go roast some soybeans. I've been in the office for most of the morning, struggling with technology, but we took a break. We're in here. So let's go start roasting. I'm gonna put these ladies back, and they're excited to get to their new home. So, to roasting. So probably gonna have about 4 good days of roasting. So we're just gonna get set up. We'll roast a little today, maybe a little tomorrow. Probably won't be doing it for a couple weeks. We got those birds going out. We'll have to wash barns, but keep it set up. Got everything tight so we have this roadway still. Let's go ahead. Yeah. Perfect. Doesn't help, this tire is flat as a pancake. Guys, for the first time firing just goes easier. There's so many things to watch at once. Once you get things kind of in a movement, warmed up, it all goes smooth after that. So there we are. We're roasting. So we're roasting away. So I just had to step back. Just wanted to. I've had some people ask in my other videos of roasting soybeans, what's the protein level and this and that. I'll make a video on that one day, just not gonna be today. I don't want to give everybody false information. I need paperwork in front of me to do that. I just can't remember everything. That's how it is. So one day we'll go over some paperwork, my protein levels, what the roasted soybeans give me for protein, and of all their stuff in a ration, but not today. So back to roasting. So Owen is just going to take a temperature. We want them about 250 to 260 degrees, and then they're fully cooked. That cooks all the oil out of them. You have oil in that soybean, it can make the chicken sick. We got to get all that out of there. Obviously he was happy. What was that temp?
280, but I had a clump up there. Give it a minute.
Okay, so it's a little hot. There was a clump up there stopping the flow or slowing it down. So you really only control the temperature by flow of soybeans. The more soybeans in, cool it hard, longer it is to cook them. So it's a direct feed. So we either put more or less in. So we let that clump go through. We'll test it a little bit, see if it flows. If not, we can speed or slow down the feed of that roast. Like I said earlier in the video, once you get everything set, usually you don't have to set the roaster up any more than what it already is, because so those beans in this bin, they're obviously dry. They're all the same moisture content. A lot of it has to do with the day. Since we're roasting today, it's usually gonna stay a constant temperature. Don't have to change too much. So it's got a nice little pile. We've literally just really got going here. Okay, go and take another step. You just sped it up a little bit. We'll see if we can get her on the target. Yeah, 253, so we're right on target. Just gonna send it the rest of the day. We'll keep checking in case we have to make some fine adjustments. So now we're just filling that hopper bin up there just to gravity fed in. And we'll just keep the system going all day long for the next couple. After that last test where I said it was pretty well spot on, I had to do a minor adjustment. You think you're good, and then it goes like this, and then we'll get the graph, if there was a graph. Anyways, 260 is perfect. Plus, Owen and I can taste. There's a little bit of rawness, so you can also double check with your mouth. Now they taste good. 260. We're going 260 to 255. That's good now. So once everything's rolling, it's the sit and wait game. Turn augers on, turn augers off, fill the wagon. You gotta go through it as the day goes on, but it's not that bad of a day. Cooling time. All right, cooler fan is obviously turned on. Up here, I can see it all. Let's clear down shortly. What do you think? I think the Hammer 6 sounds pretty good. Back to sit. Well, we're still at it. Filling the hopper. I think after lunch we're going to go get the packers. We're going to get them into the shop. Maybe that'll end the video. Maybe we'll keep going. I'm going to go to the wheel bearings. But yeah, we'll see you guys after lunch. I always get the RG out of the way. Get that RG out of the way. I got to get this seed out of the way. We can pull this out those doors. Make sure you can get out. Okay. Oh, you're good. Oh, wait. Yep. Just gotta rub the other side now. So one day we're gonna put a taller door right there at this end, so we can pull in and out. Hopefully, I'm thinking a 50-footer, and then you'll always be able to come in and out this way. That door, it was great when the cock shut. The old farm all age, the big boys on the farm. That's lots of door, but not today. Okay, let's get this one. This one fits. So yes, this RJ fits. So we can back it out the 600s. A little taller. Lots of clearance. Okay. Just gonna pin the forklift onto this. Get it out that way, and we'll hook it, I think, to the 6140 and just pull her in the new shop. just that easy. So once we'll get the tractor, we'll hook it up, we'll get it over there, because those wheel bearings need to be addressed before we forget.
Yep. We'll head west guard turn. Okay. That was simple. Went better than I thought.
Sometimes when you got equipment buried behind a bunch of stuff, it could take an hour, could take 20 minutes, but that took 8. That's nice. All right, take the lock out. So sweet, we won't even need jack stands or a jack. Those are in the air. We cannot be any safer than what that is because the whole unit is sitting on the floor. So I have some other things going on the rest of the day. We just want to get that in here because they're talking a couple rain days coming up. So good rainy day project. We're gonna take all those wheel bearings apart, gonna go over them. So we'll save that for another day. I got some paperwork to do. We're still gonna roast today. I think that's all I'm gonna show you. So make sure you like, subscribe, have a good one. Peace.